what I'm saying here, folks, is, oh, I spelled distance. Wrong. I'm Distance. You didn't got that. Catch that. Anyway, um, it's the distance away from zero. Now, here's what I mean is the absolute value means the distance away from zero. So if I were to see this, what is the absolute value of -3? What I'm asking here is how far is -3 away from zero? And you would tell me, oh, well, it's 3 units. Exactly. And if I ask you, how far, when I see the absolute value, that's what I think in my head, and that's what I want you to think in your head. Um, how far is +3 away from zero? And the answer is 3 units as well. That's why it changes everything negative into a positive, and everything positive it keeps as a positive. That's what you understand right now is it changes negatives into a positive. That's what it does. But what I'm trying to explain to you is here's what it means, and I'll show you what it does. Are we cool? How's that? Is that confusing? Did you like that? Did you not like that? Your breath stinks? What's going on? Cool. Okay. This is a very important concept. So I don't want you to just go through and say, oh, I mean, the absolute value just changes everything negative into a positive. When you see the absolute value, think to yourself, negative, like for example, absolute value of -11. What it's asking is, if you plot -11 on a number line, and then you have 0 on a number line, how far is -11 going to be away from 0? And the answer is 11 units. It's 11 spaces, 11 points, 11 popcorn corners, or whatever you're talking about. 11. You got it? So it changes everything from that's negative into a positive because what it's really asking is how far away from it, either right or left. It doesn't matter how, which direction you walk. I just want to know how far you walk. 11 beans, exactly. And if it's +11, then it stays as a +11. That's what the absolute value means. And the reason why I'm getting into this, because I don't know if we'll get to this in 6th grade, but when you get into a higher level math, like 7th or 8th or 9th or 10th or whatever, this is going to be a very important concept. And if all you learn about absolute value is it changes stuff that is negative into a positive, then you didn't really learn, or then you're going to have to relearn this concept that I'm teaching you right now. So it's very important. Okay, so I'm going to stop the jing and move on